In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view stories secretly on Telegram. If you are a Telegram Premium subscriber, you have access to an official privacy feature called Stealth Mode. This is designed specifically for stories and gives you a short, safe window to view without showing up in someone's viewer list. Here is how it works and how to use it confidently. Stealth Mode hides your views on any stories you opened in the last 5 minutes, and it keeps hiding your views for the next 25 minutes. Think of it as a timed cloak for your story activity. During that window, anything you open will not add your name to the viewer list. It's perfect for those moments when you want to catch up quietly. There are 2 convenient ways to turn it on. The first is right from your chat list, where your stories appear at the top. Press and hold on the story you want to see. Then tap View anonymously. The story opens immediately without adding you to the viewer list, and Stealth Mode is activated automatically. This is the fastest method, and it starts protecting you before you even begin watching. The second method lets you switch to stealth while you are already viewing a story. Open the story as usual. Tap the 3 dots in the corner. Choose Hide My View, and then select Stealth Mode. This changes your status on the spot and covers what you've just watched in the last 5 minutes. Then continues protecting your views for the next 25 minutes. It's handy if you forgot to start in stealth and want to correct course without backing out. A very important note. Reacting to a story or replying to it will reveal your identity, even if stealth mode is active. If staying unseen is the goal, avoid tapping quick reactions, stickers, or the reply field. Just watch and then close the story when you are done. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.